students of class 3. Today we will start the lesson The Storm. Alright. So everyone open your English literature books to the lesson The Storm and let us start the lesson today. So today's date is the 30th and let us start the lesson The Storm. So The Storm is written by Ruskin Bond. Okay. Who is Ruskin Bond? Ruskin Bond is a famous writer who lives in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. His stories and books are loved by children and adults. Many of his stories are about people and places in North India. His stories are simple, beautiful and funny. Okay, so this story is written by Ruskin Bond. Alright. So let us come to the lesson. The Storm by Ruskin Bond. Okay, let us start. We are used to sudden storms up here high in the hills. The old building in which I live has for over 100 years stood against the force of the wind and rain. Okay, so they are saying that up here, okay, they are used to sudden storms. Okay, and where? Up in the hills, high in the hills, they are used to sudden storms. And the old building which whoever is the narrator who is speaking, which he lives in, the old building which I live has for over 100 years stood against the force of wind and rain. So the narrator is saying that for 100 years the building that he lives in has stood against the force of wind and rain. Stood against the force of wind and rain meaning that nothing has happened to it if there is a terrible storm. Okay, it has never got affected. It has stood against the wind and storm. Okay. It's a 3-storied building. 3-storied meaning with 3 floors. Okay. And I live on the top floor with my adopted family. 3 children and their parents. So the narrator lives on the top floor. Okay. With his adopted family. Adopted family meaning a family that is not your own but that you love as if they are your own. Okay. So he lived with his adopted family on the top floor. And who were the members? 3 children and their parents. Alright. The roof is made of tin sheets. So the roof of the building is made of tin sheets with a ceiling of wooden boards. Okay. Ceiling meaning the inner part of the roof. Okay. Can you see the picture over here? Okay. The roof is made of tin sheets, this one, with a ceiling of wooden boards, this one. Okay. It had held fast in other storms. Okay. In other storms, nothing could affect this building. Okay. It stood against other storms. But that night the wind came rushing at us with a woo. Okay. So that night, but the wind was very strong and it was making this woo sound. Alright. What is the meaning of held fast? Stayed in place. Okay. Was fixed firmly. The old roof groaned and clattered for many hours. Groaned meaning made noises as if in pain. So the wind was making these noises. Okay. Sorry, not the wind. The old roof was making these noises. Okay. The old roof groaned. Why was it groaning and clattering? Because of the wind. Okay. The old roof groaned and clattered for many hours. Clattered meaning made a loud, harsh sound because they hit against one another. So because of the wind, the strong wind, The old roof groaned and clattered for many hours. The rain hit the window and the lights kept coming and going. So the rain was hitting against the window panes, okay, and the light was coming and going, okay. So that's all we will study today. This is what I'm going to teach you today. Please read it nicely. All right, let us come to the word meanings for today. Some difficult word meanings are given to you. Learn it well and write it in your English literature copy. Three-storied with three floors. Adopted family, a family that is not your own but that you love as if they are your own. Ceiling, the inner part of a roof. Held fast, stayed in place, was fixed firmly. Groaned, made noises as if in pain. Clattered, made a loud harsh sound because they hit against one another. Alright, that's all for today, students. Thank you. We will continue with the lesson in the next class. Whatever I have taught you today, please read it and learn it nicely and write the word meanings and learn it well and write the word meanings in your English literature copy. Okay, we will continue in the next class. Thank you, students, and God bless.